Alright, so I'm going to give you guys a little trick when doing these parking brake cables. Let me show you. So you're trying to fit this onto here, but you got this spring. So you got to figure out how to make space in between the spring and then the end. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Real simple. Real simple. Take a pair of pliers. Just like that. A pair of diagonal cutters, side cutters like this. Look, just gonna go right in here, get underneath of the spring, look, and then use that, and look, pry off of that, look, now you got a bunch of space. And you're gonna take your shoe, on mine it's this way, take it, rotate it in there, and let it go. Done deal.